In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can preserve the moisture in your makeup toilettes, your baby wipes, your adult washcloths that has moisture inside of a bag like this. Now, if you live anywhere in any kind of home around the world, especially if it has air conditioner, as soon as you get this home and you open it up, the very first cloth, it's going to start to degrade the moisture, and the moisture is going to start drying up. It's just nature. As a matter of fact, after it's manufactured, it will start drying up even before it's opened the first time. That's just part of nature. So what I want to do is show you how you can preserve it. Now, these particular baby wipes, they're not that old, but as you can see, it's completely dried out inside the bag. So it's almost like it's toilet paper now, and it's supposed to be moist. Well, what you can do to help preserve it and give you a few more weeks, if not months, something like this with like a lid with Neutrogena, what you want to do, the very minimal thing that you can do is just place it down onto the table like that, on the tabletop. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the moisture go down to the first towelette, but also it'll keep this flap from gradually flipping up. And so that'll help preserve it. Just by doing that will give you probably another month as opposed to it going out within a month. Okay, next thing you can do is just simply put it in a sandwich bag, something like this, and keep it stored like that. That will help keep the towelettes preserved and keep air out. So that's going to help it. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you get all the air out as possible before you seal that up. Now, some people would think, hey, I'm going to put this in a refrigerator and that's going to preserve the moisture even more. No, actually it'll do the opposite effect. If you put your towelettes in the refrigerator, it'll actually dry it out faster, because that's what the refrigerator does. So do not put these in a refrigerator. Okay, so that's one method. Next method is actually using a bale style hinge lid, something like this. And you get these on Amazon or a local flea market. I'm sure you've seen hundreds of these, Walmart. It's basically got that hinge where it'll close down and it'll shut down like that. That will keep air in here. Or you could use it actually in a mason jar like this that you would put, vegetables and stuff to ferment. Something like this. And actually I like this a little bit better, this style. So pretty much the only thing you have to do is you would want to take your towelettes out of the bag, all of them, because if you keep them in the bag, it'll expose it to more air that's inside the bag. So you would want to do that and put it in like this. And if there's any liquid or water in here, soap, you'd want to pour it all out into here, and you would want to seal it. Something bigger like this, preferably you don't want to have air after you put the towelettes in. You could technically use the plastic to help seal it up before you do this. Or you could do something like this. Because basically what you're trying to do is prevent more air from getting to your towelettes. Because the more air will make it dry out.
You, come here. You, yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.